All right, welcome back. These are my top 5 favorite things that I love about the Svartpilen 401. So number 1, the first thing I would say is how light and nimble this bike is. It is so easy to ride. I mean, I'm not even on the bike right now, and I can just one hand easily just lift the bike up, no problem. I can't remember exactly what the weight is, but put it down in the comments if you guys know. I think it's under 400 pounds though, which is pretty good for a bike this size. It just makes it really easy to drive around and to get through those little side roads and past cars and get in between whatever you need to get into. All right, number 2 is how customizable this bike is. So anybody who has one of these bikes or has been looking at getting one, you have probably already looked into the mods because the original parts on this bike are terrible. I have another video that goes over all the best custom mods to do. You can check that out on the channel as well. But a few quick ones that I've done, or some of them were done for me already, is the smaller LED turn signals, which look a lot better, the bar end mirrors, which make a huge difference. The old ones are huge, big, and ugly. And then one of the bigger, more expensive ones is I did the Leo Vince slip-on exhaust because the original one is just so bulky and super quiet. I've done that. I've done the tail tidy kit here. Well, of course, there's the like I said, the LEDs just clip onto that as well. That is pretty much everything that's been done on this bike. Oh, also there's the guard here for the exhaust. We've got the frame sliders right here on here as well. Yeah, so customizable, and there's still a bunch more that you can do that I want to do as well. Number 3, I think the price on these bikes are really great. I think you're getting a ton of bike for the money. This one is a 2022, which to me, that's a brand new bike to me. It was pre-owned. I got it from the dealership. But I ended up paying, before taxes and fees, I think it was 5,400 Canadian dollars, so whatever that is in US dollars. But even the brand new ones are still a really good price for what you're getting. Great beginner bike, even if you've been riding for years like myself, still a really great bike, and you're not breaking the bank getting one of these. Number 4. The acceleration on this thing. Now, the thing is, it doesn't have the highest top speed in the world for sure. However, compared to other similar bikes of the same size, it is a fair bit quicker. A lot of these bikes, a lot of 400s usually will top out at about 150, 160 kilometers an hour. And this one, I have seen videos of some people getting them up to 170 kilometers an hour on a straight stretch. And that's stock. That's before changing any engine components as well. Number 5, last but certainly not least, my absolute number 1 favorite thing about this bike is just the look of it. Honestly, one of the biggest reasons I ended up buying this bike and wanting to get one of these bikes is just because of how it looked. I remember years ago driving by one that was just parked on the side of the road, and I had never seen anything like it. I didn't know what it was, except for the little, I saw the 401 on it. So I remember going home and just Googling. I think I just typed in like 401 motorcycle, and then this popped up, and then that's kind of how I got to know it. And I just think it is such a cool and very unique looking bike. It just looks really mean. I mean, this one is this year that they kind of changed the color scheme, and they just kind of went black on black, which I think is really cool. So and then you got, especially on this one too, you got sort of the beefy tires, right, which also looks pretty cool. Yeah, that is definitely, I would say right now at the moment, maybe I'll have some more later, but that is my top 5 favorite things of the Svartpilen 401.